Hi friends of the Albert's Garage. This is the post clutch replacement test drive with Super Duke called Job 112. No problem at all on the change of the discs, and everything looks quite good. I took a test drive on this place that is called Valtaleggio, is in Italy. Is one of the best road that get in my region, and I like it very much because there are plenty of turns and it's a quite fast road and quite enjoyable. Anyway, as I said, the clutch is better, is a better response, and the change of the springs was a good idea, and the clutch looks more responsive and not slippage anymore. So think about it if you want to change it out, and I'll see you on these beautiful roads. Bye.